Usambut Menteri Rangba ubak Prestun Tensong ula pentep hayeng dorbar bana kebentaban penduna ya kejeng kapnya bat dheng kali hakanong ba kasorkar menta kalapan kre ban penkendria no eka Secretariat bat ki office he Shillong Shillong. Haba jubab ya kejeng kali bawan ra do MLA kanong thamai uba Charles Pengrong uba Prestun uong ru ba menta ki penkre ru ban pentreka miki bos elektrik kumju ru ban penbon ki jaka penjeng kali.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to third question 46. Sir, the state government has taken multidisciplinary and integrated approach to tackle traffic congestion and improve the mobility and accessibility of Shillong city. The state government conducted technical studies, integrated network planning, and mobility gap assessment to understand the root cause. Based on this and inputs from various departments, a blueprint to decongest Shillong was prepared, which has listed out short, medium, and long-term interventions to ease traffic congestion. C. A multi-departmental committee
I will now
headed by
call
Chief
the
Secretary
House to
for
order.
the Shillong Decongestion
Let us take up
Committee
question
has
number
also been
45.
notified to monitor
Sri
the
Abu
progress
Tahir Mandal,
of the
Minister in charge.
interventions listed in the blueprint. The committee has convened various meetings to monitor the progress.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I interrupt under the
Mr. Speaker, sir,
answer is very
we'd like
long.
to start question number
Please
40.
the table of the House.
Yes, sir. I'm happy to place on the table of the House.
So, let me ask you supplementary questions.
So, all my supplementaries are already answered here. But let me refer to this, the budget speech read by the Honorable Chief Minister and para
Given and accordingly
5.7.
they have come out notification.
The blueprint to comprehensively address
Again, we
issues
can
of
say
traffic congestion.
No, we have, I think,
Blueprints was the world-class skywalk. That's a very interesting and important infrastructure that is being constructed. But that will only ease the traffic, pedestrian traffic. We are also concerned about the vehicular traffic congestion. May I suggest, if this world-class skywalk can be converted into world-class
That
bus.
prior to this, there was no restriction
Elevation of
on the load capacity of trucks flying.
project will be on stilts. Therefore, if this can be added, then the use of motor vehicular traffic will be reduced tremendously.
you mean
If it can be incorporated, sir.
high range instead of
That's right,
skywalk.
sir. That's right.
Sir, point noted, sir. Point noted, yes.